Right, in this question we're going to look at how we're going to draw, or actually construct 45, 60 degree and 30 degree angles using just a straight line, ruler and compass. So I'm going to create a 45 degree line on the end of this line. The first thing I need to do is actually construct a 90 degree line, and what I'm going to do, 90 degrees to the end of this line. So what I'm going to do to help me do that is I'm going to extend this line a bit first. So let's just extend this line. So there we go. Next we're going to do is going to put this compass on this point here and do what we've done in a previous video, which is to create points which are equidistant from this on this line. So I can create a 90 degree line, and once I've created a 90 degree line I can then from that get myself a perpendicular a bisector. If you bisect for 90 degrees, you will get a 45 degree line. So again, like we did, I'm now going to create the perpendicular bisector from this point here and this point here. If I do that, that'll be a perpendicular line going through that end point there. These are all construction lines, these coloured lines I've drawn, and you draw them in faint pencil when you're doing this. So I just need to make my compass point. Again, remember I said previously when we're doing perpendicular bisectors, I want to make sure they go further than halfway. So I'm just going to shift this so it's longer than halfway, and then I can draw my arc in. Just going to flip this around and put it on the other point and do the same thing. See where they cross. Now I've created myself a perpendicular line through that end point. So here we go, we've got my 90 degree line. Now what I want to do, I want to create an angle bisector. So go back through the process of doing that. Put the compass here. I'm going to just draw this further out so it doesn't interfere with all these construction lines here. So put a mark here. Bring this all the way around again. And I'm going to put a mark here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and draw arcs from here, and I'm going to do the same thing from over here and draw an arc, and where these two lines cross gives me the other point of the angle bisector from there. So if I now take my straight line, draw it from here through the line where I cross, I get an angle bisector. So what I have now here, this is my 45 degree angle just here. Okay, let's move on and try and do a 60 degree and 30 degree angles. Well, to get a 60 degree, what we need is an equilateral triangle, because equilateral triangles always have 60 degrees in them on each corner. They're all the same angle. 180 divided by 3 gives us 60 degrees. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my compass the same length as the side I've already got to get the triangle. Now if I now draw this arc here, that whole arc is going to be the same distance from this point. I'm just going to flip the compass around, move it over here, and do the same from that point. And then I get all the points the same distance from these 2 points. Drawing a straight line there, drawing another straight line here, and we have our equilateral triangle. So we can see here this angle is now 60 degrees from here to here. Next I'm going to try and get myself a 30 degree angle. So obviously I'm going to find the angle bisector of this line. So I'm going to get my compass, bring it over here, done what I've done previously, which is to put an arc on each edge. Bring that round, put an arc here, take the compass point there, just bring it round a bit, put an arc out here, keeping the same length again, bring it round and put an arc here, and now I can draw in my angle bisector. So my angle bisector is from here through to here, and I've now got this angle here is going to be 30 degrees. So here we go. I've now drawn a 45 degree angle, a 60 degree angle, and a 30 degree angle.